question is, why is it dumping? Coin's going to dump tomorrow. More coins are going to be released. So June the 5th, then June the 12th, then June the 19th. Are you freaking kidding me? This is why the coin's dumping. Y'all see this? Every 7 days, it's releasing tokens. Every week, it's releasing tokens. So right now, the price is 0.003. Let's come back over here. This token was released 3 years ago, almost 3 years ago. So August of 2021. It has only done a 2.8x. That's it. Not good. Not strong at all. Let's go to every month. This tells me there was a huge token unlock in the month of December. So more than likely they had a 3-month vesting period. Tokens were unlocked and it's been downhill ever since. So they did good, you know, when it first came out. Then 3 months later, more than likely, they'd release tokens and boom, December. So let's go back to the vesting. Let's go past. So what is vesting? Vesting is token unlocks. This is when the pre-sales, this is when the angel investors, this is when the, prior to it being listed on exchange, it's like a fundraiser. So all these people, they believed in this token, they bought it for, let's just say 0.001 cent. As soon as it gets listed on exchange, it's starting to sell at 0.005 cents. And then it goes up 12 cents and so on and so forth. And more than likely what happened, because now it's way higher than the initial price that they bought it for prior to the release of the exchange, they get all these tokens and they just sell it because they made a huge profit. They 100x their coin like quick. So that's what that means. Question. So what I want to do is I want to see, just for giggles, I want to see December 2021. The team, all this is the team. The team dumped on everybody. So when it first got released, as soon as it got released, they released tokens to the private token cells and none to the team. Private token cells. Just for giggles, you know, just for giggles. This was just for the private cells. Then the next day, the team got some. Then the next day, the team got some. Then the next day, the team got some. Then the next day, and again, and again. The team, that is horrible, guys. This is why it's important to understand tokenomics. This is why I show you this. Matter of fact, look at this, guys. Go to the videos. Go to the video section. I released a video 7 hours ago. Only 19 people are going to be very, very knowledgeable when it comes to this. Only 19 people. Are you going to be the 20th? I hope so. Check out this video. It's called Tokenomics 101. This is from a recap that I did from one of my live streams. I show you, actually, you know, have it edited and all that fun stuff. I show you how to do what I'm doing. Most paid groups don't even have this information in them. If you're lucky, you might get some that show a little bit of this, but they don't want to show it all to you because they want you to be a sheep. I don't want you to be a sheep. I want to show you everything I know so you make money. So definitely watch this and leave a comment. The team, again, the team just dumped on everybody. Wow, that is horrible. So December, was there like a huge thing? October, all this is just team. And then, oh, for the people who bought in the private sales, oh, here's some. But you know what, guess what? We're gonna give it to our team, and our team. Oh, here guys, you can sell some now. And our team. Wow, that's horrible. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's gonna save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. Like, it's super important. Now, if you're in the VIP, I have videos that are 3, 4, 5 minutes long on average. If you want to make money, I will show you how. So in December, private sales, and they gave some rewards. How generous of them. Then the team. Then 7 days later, okay, so now private token sales are now starting to do it 7 days later, to where they're getting their allocation. They're getting a portion of their tokens. Whenever you buy tokens on a pre-sale or a private sale, you buy these tokens, but they're not released to you all at once. they give you like 3% of what you bought because they don't want you dumping. And then they'll hold it for 3 months or a month, or in this case, I guess 7 days. And then they'll give you 3%, and then 3%, and then 3%, so that you don't dump on the market. But we can see clearly in December, it dumped, and it dumped hard. And who dumped? The team. That is absolutely the worst. I'm not even in the coin. It gets me upset. With that being said, would I invest in this coin? No. Why? Because the team is dumping on me. I would not touch this at all. Now that I did that tokenomics, team doesn't care about you. Team doesn't care about the project. They're just dumping. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.